I'm Jeff Pickles, co-founder at Green Grid Inc. These tragic fires in Southern California are a reminder of why we invented iSIU. iSIU can prevent these types of fires through early detection and notification through a wide range of hazards that create these types of scenarios. My brother and his family lost their home and lost everything and narrowly escaped with their lives through one of these utility ignited fires in 2017 in Southern California. And now it's happening all over again. And I believe it's because we're not addressing the core issue that needs to be addressed. And what's missing is continuous monitoring. And that's what our system provides. So iSIU provides this type of continuous monitoring for all the wide range of hazards that can detect the conditions that can lead up to an ignition event. iSIU can be used to provide continuous monitoring for our power lines that will allow us to keep the power on. And if you do have an outage, it'll help pinpoint where the outage is. And most importantly, if there is something going wrong, it'll identify those hazards as they start to occur before it becomes an ignition and send an automated alert and let us address that issue before it becomes an ignition or a fire.